Last time we left you right here, walking through green pathways with waterfalls waiting somewhere ahead. You can spot Kalba from a distance already, but before we go there, let's take a small pause. This Roman-style amphitheatre appears quietly along the way, almost like a reminder that travel isn't always about rushing to the main attraction. Built in classical design and surrounded by mountains. Back to the hanging gardens, layers of green long stairways and viewpoints that make you slow down without trying. Walking down these steps feels less like sightseeing and more like letting the body move at its own pace. And then finally, Kalba Waterfalls. Water moving freely, people pausing, cameras down for a moment. There's something grounding about watching water flow. No hurry, no resistance, just movement. You don't need to do much here. Just stand, breathe, and let the sound fill the space. From the top, you see Kalba stretched out below, mountains behind, city lights ahead, and that quiet feeling of being exactly where you need to be. As evening settles in, Kalba lights up gently, not loud, not rushed, just calm and present. This part of the journey isn't about covering more places. It's about leaving with a clearer mind than you arrived with. This is Glowlogue by Shuli, where pauses matter.